Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I put together this DIY lemonade stand that I'm going to be making for my kids. I got the inspiration from Pinterest and I will show you what it looks like. So this is what it's going to look like once I'm all done with it. It's 4 crates put together, and then I bought some decorations from the Dollar Tree to make it look like the picture here. So I will be showing you the items that I did purchase from the Dollar Tree. So for the banner that runs across the top, I bought this burlap garland, which looks like this. And then this here comes with 4, so it's perfect because I'm gonna write sale. And I'm just gonna remove the stuff that already comes on it. And with the black Sharpie, I'm just gonna write the words sale. Next, I purchased these really cute lemon napkins, a chalkboard, and I'm just gonna write lemonade 50 cents. I also found this really cute lemon plate just for decoration. And in the picture, they also have some pom-poms hanging on the side, so I've purchased these yellow pom-poms. And these are stuff that I already had on hand that I had at home, which this one, if you've seen my thrift haul, this was in my thrift haul video, which I'm gonna be using this for my kiddos so they can fill it up with lemonade. And this was also in another video, which was in a Dollar Tree DIY. And I'm also gonna be using this to put on their crates for decoration. I have a stand to hold the plate. And this is also from the Dollar Tree. I just went ahead and painted it white. Some chalk and a black Sharpie. Okay, so my husband went ahead and cut these molding, and you can purchase these at your hardware store, at Lowe's or Home Depot. He went ahead and just cut these at 3 feet, but you can go ahead and cut them to your preference and length. So this part here is going to be optional. I do have this board that I used from a previous project. Because the boxes aren't squared, there's going to be a gap here, and that's why I'm going to be using it to cover the imperfections. And this part is optional. I'm using it just because I had it laying around. So I'm also going to be adding one more at the top. Alright guys, and that's going to be the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Now if you do want more specific details on how I put the lemonade stand together, I'm going to go ahead and link it down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Make sure you hit that little bell button so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. If you do have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. And if not, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.